with me. Assalamu alaikum
Assalamu alaikum
wa rahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wa barakatuh
wabarakatuh.
wa barakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Start from the beginning. Okay. Start from the beginning now.
Alif ba
أعوذ بالله
ta
من الشيطان الرجيم. Before starting the Quran, this reading must read.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay, now you can start from the beginning.
Alif ba ta ta jim ha kha dal and za.
Continue. Don't stop.
Ra and da and ka.
From the beginning, don't stop. Again, repeat from the beginning.
Alif ba ta ta jim ha kha ha. Alif ba ka. Alif ba ta ta jim ha kha dal and za.
Okay. Continue, don't stop.
Alif ba ta ta jim ha kha dal and zal.
Okay, now you can
Alif
go to reverse. From the last letter, go to beginning. One time from the beginning to last, and one time from the last to beginning.
alif ba ta ta jim ha kha dal zal
Now,
zal
good.
dal khal ha jim ta tha ba and alif. Alif ba ta ta jim ha kha and dal and zal. Zal dal khal
Call now. That's kha.
kha ha jim ta ta tha and
Continue. Good reading.
Ta and Ba. Alif. Alif Ba. Ta. Sa. Sa. Jim. Ha. Ka. Ka.
Nice, nice.
Ka. Dal and Zal. Zal. Dal. Ka. Ha. Jim. Ta. Ta. Ba. And Alif.
Continue, continue.
Alif. Ba. Ta. 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 Jim. Ha. Ka. Dal. And Zal.
Very good.
Zal.
Very good, very good.
Zal.
Hmm.
Kal. Alif. Ba. Ka. Wait. Ka. Ha. Jim. Sa. Ha. Ta. Ba. And Alif. Alif. Ba. Ta. Sa. Jim. Ha. Ka. Dal. Zal. Zal. Dal. Dal. Ka. Ha. Jim. Ta. Ha. Ta. Ba. Alif. Alif. Ba. Ta. Sa. Jim. Ha. Ka. Dal. Zal. Zal. Dal. Zal.
Continue. Good student, mashallah. Very good, nice.
Ka. Ha. And Jim. And Ta. And Ta. And Ta. Ba. And Alif. Alif. Ba. Ta. Sa. Jim. Ha. Ka. Dal. Ka.
Khal, no khal. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal. And zal, dal, kha, ha, jim, tha, ta, ba, alif. Okay, continue.
Alif. Ba. Ta. Sa. Jim. Ha. Ka. Dal. Zal. Zal. Dal. Ka. Ha. Jim. Ta. Ta. Ba. Alif. Alif. Ba. Ta. Sa. Jim. Ha. Ha. Ka.
Hmm.
Ka.
Hmm. Continue, continue.
Ba, ta, da, and
Good, good.
and
Very good, very good. Nice student name. Tell me,
Nadi,
what is my favorite student?
Nadi.
Oh, very good scarf. You are looking beautiful in scarf. And without scarf is not beautiful looking. Understand? Yeah. Hijab is very important for girls. For girls, okay? Yeah. Okay. It's Allah's order. It's order of Allah. It's order of Allah. Understand? MashaAllah, very beautiful and good looking, nice looking in scarf. Okay, good student.
But
She is reading very good.
my mom said if you're a little girl, you don't have to wear your scarf.
Scarf is very, MashaAllah, important. And you are looking very beautiful and good in scarf, okay? Yeah, it's Allah's order for girls. Scarf is very important, okay, in Islam. Okay, we will start now. Where is the lesson? Where is the lesson, Nadin?
What?
Where is easy lesson? Wait. Allahu Akbar. Read with me. La ilaha
La ilaha
illallahu
illallahu
Muhammadur
Muhammadu
Rasulullah
Rasulullah
sallallahu
sallallahu
alayhi
ilayhi
wa alihi
alihi
wa sallam.
wasallam.
La ilaha
La ilaha
illallahu
illallahu
Muhammadur Rasulullah
Muhammadu Rasulullah
sallallahu
sallallahu
alayhi
ilayhi
alayhi
ilayhi
alayhi
alayhi
wa sallam.
wasallam.
Okay, you can start now this hadith today. Start it.
Righteousness is a good attitude.
Righteousness no. Righteousness is a good attitude. Righteousness is a
Good attitude.
Yeah. Repeat it sometimes. Memorize it. Very easy.
Okay.
Don't stop.
Righteousness is a good attitude. 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 Righteousness is a good attitude.
Righteousness is a good attitude. Okay, nice student name is Nadin. MashaAllah, she is reading very good every day. MashaAllah. Okay, it's repeat, revise with your mom, okay? Every day this lesson. I understand? Yeah. Okay. Say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.